Hi there. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex. I'm Taylor. Likewise, nice to meet you.
Thanks! So, do you come to events like this often?
Not really, this is actually my first time at one of these. How about you?
Oh, I try to attend these every now and then. It's a good way to meet new people.
Definitely. By the way, I love your watch. Where did you get it?
Thanks! I got it as a gift from a friend. How about your necklace? It's really unique.
Oh, this old thing? It's a family heirloom. My grandmother gave it to me.
That's amazing. Family heirlooms always have a story. Speaking of stories, have you read any interesting books lately?
Actually, yes. I just finished reading book title. It's a mystery novel, and I couldn't put it down.
That sounds intriguing. I'm always looking for new book recommendations. I've been into sci-fi lately. Any favorites you'd recommend?
Sci-fi is cool. Have you read another book title? It's a classic, but I think it still holds up.
No, I haven't, but I'll definitely check it out. By the way, do you have any exciting plans for the upcoming weekend?
Not really, just planning to relax. How about you?
I might catch a movie or explore a new coffee shop. Any recommendations for a good movie or cozy cafe?
Well, if you're into movie genre, I heard movie title is great. And for coffee, there's this charming place called Cafe Star.
Awesome. I'll keep that in mind. So, aside from reading, any other hobbies you're passionate about?
I enjoy hiking and photography. There is something refreshing about being outdoors. How about you?
Hiking sounds like a great way to unwind. I'm actually into painting. It's my way of escaping reality for a bit.
That's fantastic. Do you have a favorite subject or style?
Lately, I've been experimenting with landscapes. But abstract art has always fascinated me. It's so open to interpretation.
I completely agree. Abstract art has this mysterious quality to it. Anyway, it was really nice chatting with you, Alex.
Likewise, Taylor. If you ever want to grab that coffee or share book recommendations, feel free to reach out.